Hello, welcome to the Cloud Factory. Today I'm going to teach you how to make curved hems. As you know, curved hems are always tricky and difficult because we can get a lot of creases in the right side of the fabric that doesn't look that nice. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to make it in a shirt for men, as you can see here. And the bottom of a shirt for men, it usually has this kind of curved bottom, like not only a curve but several curves in the bottom. So if you hem it just like that, folding and stitching, you will get a lot of creases probably visible in the right side of your fabric, as I told you before. The method I will teach you, it works the same for any curved seam. You can apply it in shirts like this, or also you can apply it in any other kind of garment with a curved shape. For example, circular skirts, semicircular skirts, curved sleeves, or any part of the garment which is curved. If you want to know how to make it, stay with me and let me show you how to get a perfect curved hem. We are going to start giving a basting stitch 2 millimeters away from the edge of the fabric, and then after that stitch 1 centimeter after it, you are going to give a normal stitch all along the part you want to hem. Here I am giving the basting stitch in the border. Remember, for a basting stitch you have to set the tension of your machine on 0 and the length of your stitch on 5 millimeters, or the longest stitch you have in your machine. A basting stitch, if you remember, it helps you to gather a fabric. So give it in the border, and 1 centimeter away from it, now I am giving a normal stitch. The tension of the machine is on 3, and my length of the stitch is 3 millimeters. You use the tension which is perfect for your fabric. Remember, you always have to test the tension of the machine in a piece of fabric before you start your garment. Now here I have my basting stitch, and then I have the normal stitch. I'm going to fold the fabric in the normal stitch I gave, like this. And then I am going to take out one of the threads of the basting stitch in the edge of the fabric. I am taking it out in this segment because this segment is straight at the beginning, so I don't need to gather. Then fold the fabric again in the basting stitch line and press. I am pressing here because, as I told you, it's straight. And once the curved part starts, pulling the thread you took out, gather the fabric in this way, and the fabric will take the shape of the curve. Then fold the fabric following the basting stitch line. Since it's gathered, it will allow you to fold it easily, and then press it there. Continue doing the same, gathering the fabric and folding. Do it segment by segment, about 3 centimeters segment every time, so you will not have any problem by folding. And press it. And once you have that, you have to put some pins to keep it on its place before to stitch. Keep gathering, folding, and pressing. Secure it with pins, and then you are ready for stitch your hem. Do the same in all the part you will hem. And if you have several curves, as in this shirt, I recommend you to do it section by section. First the front part of the shirt, then the back part, and then the other front part of the shirt. We are going to give a stitch in this case in the border, 1 millimeter from the border, because that is the finishing we want for a shirt. But if you are working with a skirt or any other garment, you can just stitch the hem following the other edge of your fold where your basting stitch was, here where I am stitching now. For this shirt, as I told you, first I stitch 1 millimeter from the border and then in the other side of my fold. And there you have it. This is your perfect curved hem. As you can see, I don't have any visible crease in the right side of the fabric. And as I told you before, you can apply the same process in any curved hem you want to make and it will give you the same perfect results. This video is a free demo from my online course Pattern Making for Boys and Men. If you want to know how to make this shirt for men and also for boys, you can join my online classes. I am going to give you all the information in the description box below this video. Check it there, or also you can contact me by my email or by my networks if you need more information and if you want to join the course. Please check the description box because there you have all the information you need to join my classes. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends if you like it and if you think it's useful. Happy stitches for everyone, and I will see you the next time.